Hello students, we are discussing the chapter haloalkanes and haloarine. Today's topic is the chemical reactions of the haloalkanes. Haloalkane bilakor ki bikriya dekhoy hetu bostu ami aji sam. Till now we have studied the nomenclature of the haloalkanes and the physical properties of the haloalkanes and the preparation of the haloalkanes and haloarines. So now we will see. I have written these the chemical reactions of haloalkanes in the tabular form. Generally, the haloalkane shows three types of reactions. Haloalkane bilake sadharante tini dhoroner bikriya dekhuay. First of all, this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. This one, nucleophile protisthapan bikriya. Second is the elimination reaction, অর্থাৎ অপহরণ বিক্রিয়া, and the third one is the reactions with metals. ধাতুৰ সৈতে হ্যালোঅ্যালকেন বিলাকে বিক্রিয়া কৰে. So we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will see the nucleophilic substitution reaction, then elimination reaction, and then the reaction with metals. So first we will see that the nucleophilic substitution reaction follows two types of mechanism, SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. You see, যেতিয়া নিউক্লিওফিলৰ প্ৰতিস্থাপন বিক্ৰিয়া ঘটিব তেতিয়া দুই ধৰণৰ ক্ৰিয়াবিধি হ'ব. এটা হৈছে SN1 ক্ৰিয়াবিধি আৰু এটা হৈছে SN2 ক্ৰিয়াবিধি. তাৰপিছত নেক্সট হৈছে আমাৰ এলিমিনেশ্যন ৰিয়াকশ্যন. এলিমিনেশ্যন ৰিয়াকশ্যনত আমাৰ কি হয়, এলকিন প্ৰস্তুত হ'ব. আৰু কেনেকৈ প্ৰস্তুত হ'ব আমি এলিমিনেশ্যন ৰিয়াকশ্যন আমি যেতিয়া পঢ়িম তেতিয়া আমি তোমালোকে গম পাবা. নেক্সট আছে ৰিয়াকশ্যনছ উইথ মেটেল. ধাতুৰ সৈতে বিক্ৰিয়া কৰে হ্যালোঅ্যালকেনছ বিলাকে. আৰু কেনেকুৱা ধাতু লগত বিক্ৰিয়া কৰিব, দুটা ধাতু, এটা হৈছে মেগনেছিয়াম ধাতু and the other one is the sodium dhatu. Now with magnesium metal, haloalkanes react to form the very important compound, that is the Grignard reagent, which is represented as RMgX. And it is a very organometallic compound. It's a very important compound. Why? Because this compound is utilized to form different types of organic compounds. Next, with sodium metal, haloalkanes react to form alkanes. And this reaction is named as the Wurtz reaction, WURTZ, Wurtz reaction. Okay, হ্যালোঅ্যালকেন বিলাকে সোডিয়াম ধাতুৰ লগত বিক্ৰিয়া কৰি এলকেন প্ৰস্তুত কৰে আৰু এই বিক্ৰিয়াটোৰ এটা বিশেষ নাম আছে, সেই নামটো হৈছে উৰ্টছ বিক্ৰিয়া. আমি এই কথাখিনি থুলমূলকে আমি ইয়াতে বোৰ্ডত দি লৈছোঁ যে হ্যালোঅ্যালকেনছ বিলাকে কি বিক্ৰিয়া দেখুৱায়. নেক্সট আমি চাম যে প্ৰত্যেকটো বিক্ৰিয়া আমি এতিয়া ইন ডিটেইলছত চাম. ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি চাম nucleophilic substitution reaction. So now we will see the nucleophilic substitution reaction, how it takes place. First I mean some nucleophile protisthapan bikriya. For that we have taken an example. Suppose you can take haloethane. Suppose you can take, instead of halogen X, you can take Cl also. But any halogen you can take, like X is equal to fluorine, bromine, iodine. Any halogen you can take. So here I have taken chlorine. So this is called chloroethane. So when chloroethane is added to a base, then what happens? This chlorine will be substituted by OH nucleophile and we will get the product CH3CH2OH plus Cl minus. This is the leaving group and we will get ethanol. Now here I have taken this alkyl halide reacts with the base to form the ethanol. Chlorine is substituted by OH. আমি ইয়াত কি লৈছো, chlorine chloroethane molecule লৈছো, যেটো আমাৰ primary alkyl halide. প্ৰাইমাৰী এলকাইল হেলাইড আৰু তাৰ বিক্ৰিয়াজাত পদাৰ্থ আমি পাইছো ইথানল ক্লোৰিনৰ ঠাইত OH আহি গৈছে এতিয়া আমি ইয়াত চাম মেকানিজমটো কেনেকৈ আছে অৰ্থাৎ ক্ৰিয়াবিধিটো কি হয় মানে প্ৰডাক্টটো কেনেকৈ ফৰ্ম হৈছে ডাইৰেক্ট প্ৰডাক্ট কেতিয়াও ফৰ্ম নহয় মাজত কিছুমান ষ্টেপছ থাকে বা ট্ৰানজিশ্যন ষ্টেপ থাকে সেইবিলাকৰ মাজেদিহে প্ৰডাক্টটো ফৰ্ম হয় so this mechanism follows SN2 mechanism. Why it is called SN2 mechanism? I will explain. First, you see this chloroethane, you can write like this in this structure. Here, this is the carbon where the halogen is attached. Now, please focus this carbon atom. Okay, a carbon atom to bhalke swa. A carbon atom to ki ase chlorine ase. This is chlorine. Then 2 hydrogen atoms, duta hydrogen paramanu ase 1 2 and 1 methyl group is there and this is the methyl group. Okay, now this is tetrahedral structure. This structure is called tetrahedral structure tar mane chaturfalakya. Okay, jehetu carbonot 4 ta single bond ase chaturfalakya. Etia OH nucleophile এই কার্বনটো কেনেকৈ আক্ৰমণ কৰিব how this OH nucleophile will attack this carbon atom you see this chlorine is a very good living group that means chlorine to এটা খুব ভাল স্থান ত্যাগী মূলক বুলি কোৱা হয় এতিয়া chlorine to this chlorine is a electronegative atom so it is also negatively charged and nucleophile is also negatively charged this is the incoming group this is the outgoing group living group কোনটো গ্ৰুপ মাব OH টো মাব সো এইটো কোন ফালৰ পৰা হুমাব জুন ফালে ক্লোৰিন আছে সেই ফালৰ পৰা হুমাব নোৱাৰে কাৰণ এই ফালৰ পৰা যদি ক্লোৰিনটো একে সাইডৰ পৰা যদি হুমাই দিতে কি হ'ব OH আৰু ক্লোৰিনৰ মাজত কি হ'ব বিকৰ্ষণ হ'ব if OH nucleophile attack from the same site of the chlorine then what happens there will be the repulsion between the nucleophile and the living group because both are negatively charged so what happens it will attack the carbon atom from the opposite direction now you can ask me that why it attacks the carbon atom because you see CCl bond is a polar bond so carbon is slightly positively charged and chlorine is slightly negatively charged that is why OH is easily attack the carbon but from the opposite to the living group chlorine and from the opposite side chlorine will be got now what will be the structure of the molecule you see this is the carbon okay this is the carbon now this is hydrogen this is the hydrogen and this is another hydrogen this is the methyl group and this is the OH nucleophile which is attacking the carbon atom so it will be represented by the dotted line and this chlorine will be leaving from the opposite side so it will be also represented by the dotted line and the structure is this and this state is called transition state অসমীয়াত কোৱা হয় মধ্যৱৰ্তী অৱস্থা here you see this is a very unstable situation very unstable situation why you see here the carbon is attached to how many groups 1 2 3 4 5 carbon cannot be attached to the 5 groups at a time because its maximum valency is 4 now this OH group is the incoming group that means this bond is a new bond the bond is going to be formed so this CCl bond is the breaking bond because this chlorine will be leaving out. এই ক্লোরিনটো গুচি যাব আৰু এই বান্ধনীটো কি হ'ব ভাঙি যাব এতিয়াহে ক্লোরিনটো ওলাই যাব পাৰিব ক্লোরিনটো ওলাই যাব so this is called breaking bond and you will get the product. You see, this is the carbon, this is the carbon, this is hydrogen, this is the hydrogen. Then you see now the reactant বিক্রিয়কৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কি আছিল chlorine is on the right hand side, but now in the product OH will be at the left hand side, and then this is hydrogen and this is the methyl. Okay, so now this is the product ethanol, this is the ethanol, but this is called inverted product. Inverted product. Okay, that means in the reactant whatever is the configuration of the reactant that will be changed in the product. This is called inversion of the configuration. Now why this is called SN2 mechanism? This is called SN2 mechanism because you see in this mechanism two molecules are involved in the rate determining state. What are these two molecules? This is the reactant and the nucleophile. This is the nucleophile. A reactant and the nucleophile. These two molecules both are involved in the rate determining state. That is why this is SN2 reaction, bimolecular. দুটা molecule দুটা অণু যেহেতু ইয়াত ইনভলভ হৈছে সেইকাৰণে এটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয় দ্বি আণৱিক প্ৰতিস্থাপন বিক্ৰিয়া. And this is a one step process. Why it is called one step process? Because at the same step the nucleophile will attack the carbon atom and it will form the transition state, and it's a very unstable situation. It will immediately break down, this CCl bond will break down and we will get the product. So this is all about the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now there is some very important point about the nucleophilic substitution reactions that I am giving here regarding the SN2 mechanism. First of all, it is a bimolecular because in this mechanism the two molecules are involved in the rate determining state. গতি নিৰ্ণায়ক খাপত যেহেতু দুটা অণু ইনভলভ হয় সেই কাৰণে এই ক্ৰিয়াবিধিটো দ্বি আণৱিক ক্ৰিয়াবিধি বুলি কোৱা হয়. So this is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Secondly, it is a one step process. Why it is one step process? Because at the same step the nucleophile will attack the reactant molecule, and at the same step the transition state will be formed, and at the same state the transition state will be converted into the product. এটা খাপতে যেহেতু নিউক্লিওফাইলে ৰিয়েক্টেণ্টক বিক্ৰিয়কক আক্ৰমণ কৰিব, তাৰ পিছত মধ্যৱৰ্তী অৱস্থা পাব আৰু মধ্যৱৰ্তী অৱস্থাৰ পৰা যেহেতু আমি বিক্ৰিয়াজাত পদাৰ্থ পাম সেইবাবে এইটো এটা ষ্টেপ এক খাপযুক্ত ক্ৰিয়াবিধি বুলি কোৱা হয়. Next, third one is the inversion of configuration. SN2 mechanism is called the inversion of configuration because in this SN2 mechanism what happens, the product, we get the inverted product with respect to the configuration of the reactant. আমি বিক্রিয়কত যেটো কনফিগুরেশন থাকে অর্থাৎ যেটো সজ্জা থাকে সেই সজ্জাটোৰ আমি বিপৰীত সজ্জাটা আমি বিক্রিয়াজাত পদাৰ্থত পাওঁ. তোমালোকে দেখিছাই যে লিভিং গ্ৰুপটো যেটো সাইডৰ পৰা ওলাই যাব সেই তাৰ অপোজিট সাইডে নিউক্লিওফাইলটো কমাই যায়, সেইকাৰণে এটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয় ইনভাৰ্সন অফ কনফিগুরেশন বুলি কোৱা হয়. Next, fourth point is a very important point, that is the reactivity of different types of alkyl halides towards the SN2 mechanism. Eta SN2 ক্ৰিয়াবিধিৰ প্ৰতি বেলেগ বেলেগ alkyl halide বিলাকৰ সক্ৰিয়তা কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হেতু আমি ক'বলৈ গৈ আছো. First amar ase ami tini dhoroner alkyl halide janu, primary alkyl halide, secondary and the tertiary alkyl halide. Etia moi koisu je primary alkyl halide or sakriyata ataitকৈ besi towards the SN2 mechanism, then secondary and then the tertiary alkyl halide. Now why? You can ask me why this happens. You see, in primary alkyl halide there is only one alkyl group. Okay, so the nucleophile can easily attack the positively charged carbon atom. Okay, nucleophile can easily attack and the leaving group will go out. But if the number of alkyl group increases, okay, if the number of carbon atom increases or as the alkyl groups becomes bulky and bulky, then what happens? This nucleophile will find difficulty in attacking this carbon atom. Okay, so nucleophile cannot attack this carbon atom very easily. So that is why the reactivity decreases towards the SN2 mechanism of secondary alkyl halide. Similarly, tertiary alkyl halide. In tertiary alkyl halide, you can see there are 3 alkyl groups. So nucleophile gets more difficulty in finding in attacking this carbon atom. Jimane alkyl mulok bilak ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব বা যিমানে অ্যালকাইল মূলকৰ সংখ্যা বাঢ়ি যাব হিমানে নিউক্লিওফাইল গুৰে পজিটিভলি চাৰ্জ কাৰ্বন এটমটো আক্ৰমণ কৰা অসুবিধা পায় আৰু সেই কাৰণে প্ৰাইমাৰী পৰা টাৰ্চিয়াৰী অ্যালকাইল হেলাইডলৈকে সক্ৰিয়তাটো কমি যায় SN2 মেকানিজমৰ প্ৰতি সক্ৰিয়তাটো কমি যায় so next we will start the nucleophilic substitution reaction and the mechanism is SN1 mechanism. Already we have discussed the SN2 mechanism. Now this is the SN1 mechanism. It's very simple. Okay, first we have taken an example. You are taking alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, tertiary alkyl halide, 3 alkyl groups are there. So tertiary alkyl halide reacts with the nucleophile, hydroxide nucleophile, and we will get the alcohol. This is the product. They are here OH group, substitute this halogen and we will get the product. Now what is the mechanism of this reaction? You see, earlier in SN2 mechanism the reaction takes place in one step, but this reaction takes place in 2 steps. So this is a 2-step mechanism and this mechanism is called SN1 mechanism. In a first step, what happens? In the reactant molecule, the carbon halogen bond will undergo heterolytic bond cleavage. Prothom stepot ki hobo? Tertiary alkyl halide jitu carbon halogen bond ase, he bandhonitu বিষম বিভঙ্গন হব আৰু যেহেতু হেলোজেনটো ইলেক্ট্ৰোনেগেটিভ বিদ্যুৎ ঋণাত্মক গতিকে ইলেক্ট্ৰন পেয়াৰটো হেলোজেনৰ ফালে যাব আৰু কাৰ্বনটো কি হৈ যাব পজিটিভলি চাৰ্জ হৈ যাব এই বান্ধনীটো ভাঙি যাব ব্ৰেক হৈ যাব আৰু কি হ'ব আমাৰ কি ফৰ্ম হ'ব কাৰ্বো কেটায়ন ফৰ্ম হ'ব যেহেতু পজিটিভ চাৰ্জ কাৰ্বনত আহি গল সেই কাৰণে আমাৰ এটো কি হ'ব কাৰ্বো কেটায়ন ফৰ্ম হ'ব এন্ড হেলোজেনটো ওলাই যাব so this is heterolytic bond cleavage and this is a slow step মানে লাহে লাহে হয় now in the second step the carbocation will take part. This carbocation has positively charged carbon atom and a nucleophile will attack this positively charged carbon atom to form the product. দ্বিতীয় খাপত কি হয় প্ৰথম খাপত সৃষ্টি হোৱা কাৰ্বকেটায়নটোৱে লগত কাৰ্বকেটায়নত থকা পজিটিভলি চাৰ্জড ধনাত্মকযুক্ত কাৰ্বন পৰমাণুটোক নিউক্লিওফাইলে আক্ৰমণ কৰিব আৰু কি কৰিব পজিটিভ আৰু নেগেটিভৰ মাজত যেহেতু এটা ফোর্স অফ অ্যাট্রাকশন আছে আকর্ষণ আছে সো নিউক্লিওফাইলে এই পজিটিভলি চার্জ কার্বনটোৰ লগত সহজে বান্ধনী গঠন কৰিব পাৰে and we will get the product alcohol. Now this is called the racemic mixture. Now why this is called racemic mixture, we will later on discuss. So this is all about the SN1 mechanism, and we will see the stereochemistry of SN1 mechanism. Now we will discuss the stereochemistry of the nucleophilic substitution reaction for SN1 mechanism. The same reaction. For this reaction, we will see the stereochemistry. Stereochemistry means what? The arrangement of these groups in the product around the carbon atom. Now it is a two-step process, just I have already shown to you. And in the first step, the carbocation is formed. This is the carbocation. Here the positively charged carbon is there, and this positively charged carbon atom in the carbocation is sp2 hybridized. And we know that if the sp2 hybridization is there, then its shape will be trigonal planar. Since its shape is trigonal planar, so the question is that the nucleophile, how this nucleophile will attack this carbon positively charged carbon atom. এটা নিউক্লিওফাইল টোৰ হাতত দুটা অপশন আছে কার্বন পরমাণুটোক আক্রমণ করার কারণে. If it attacks from the left hand side, okay, then what will happen? Then OH will come at the left hand side. It will be, the alkyl groups will be shifted towards the right hand side in the product. And if the OH group attacks from the right hand side, then the OH will come at the right hand side and the alkyl groups will be shifted towards the left hand side. So we will get two types of products. In one product, OH will be at the left hand side, and in other, OH will be at the right hand side. Now this if this molecule is dextrorotatory, then the other one will be automatically levorotatory, but this is experimental, not theoretical. Experimentally we can say that this is dextro or this is levo. Now both this dextro and levo products are present in the total product, and this is that actually what happens, the total product is a mixture of dextro and levo. In the product, dextro will be 50% and levo will be 50%. So as a result, what happens, the rotation of dextro towards clockwise is cancelled by the rotation of the levo towards anti-clockwise, and that product, therefore the product of SN1 mechanism is called racemic mixture, because it contains 50% dextrorotatory and 50% levorotatory product. So this is the stereochemistry of the SN1 mechanism. And one thing you should remember, this dextro and levo is related to the optical activity. আলোক সক্রিয়তাৰ লগতে এই dextro আৰু levoটো জড়িত হৈ আছে. Now there are some important points about the SN1 mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction. First point is that SN1 mechanism is a unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, এক আণবিক নিউক্লিওফিলীয় প্ৰতিস্থাপন বিক্রিয়া. কারণ because in this reaction the red determining step is the first step, and first step is the formation of the product carbocation. So what happens, in that step only the reactant is involved. Okay, so the red determining step depends only on the concentration of the reactant, only one substance. That is why it is unimolecular. That is number 2. SN1 is a two-step process. In the first step, carbocation is formed. At the second step, the nucleophile will attack, and the product is formed. And here the first step is the rate determining step, Goti Nirnayak Khap. That means carbocation formation step is the rate determining step. Third point is that in SN1 mechanism we get the racemic mixture. Racemic mixture, what is called racemic mixture? The mixture which contain dextro and the levo isomer in equal amounts is called the racemic mixture. Here, since the carbocation is trigonal planar, due to its shape, the nucleophile can attack from either side of the carbocation with equal probability. So we will get the product as a mixture of 50% dextro and 50% levo isomer. So that is why the mixture is called the racemic mixture. Jihetu carbocation সমতলীয় ত্ৰিভুজাকৃতি হেবাবে নিউক্লিওফালে বা দুই সাইডৰ পৰা সমানে আক্ৰমণ কৰিব পাৰে বা আক্ৰমণ কৰাৰ সম্ভাৱিতা সমান দুফালৰ পৰা আৰু সেই কাৰণে আমি ডেক্সট্ৰো আৰু লেভো সম পৰিমাণে পাও 50% 50%। সেই কাৰণে মিশ্ৰটোক আমি ডেক্সট্ৰো আৰু লেভো মিশ্ৰটোক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ ৰেচিমিক মিক্সচাৰ বুলি কওঁ। নেক্সট হৈছে reactivity of the alkyl halides towards the SN1 mechanism. First, tertiary alkyl halide is more reactive than secondary, then primary alkyl halide. And why this reactivity changes from tertiary to primary alkyl halide in the descending order? So, you see, our first step is the rate determining step, that is the formation of carbocation is the rate determining step. So the overall rate of the reaction is determined the formation of the carbocation. So stability of carbocation is very important factor in the reactivity of the alkyl halides towards the SN1 mechanism. And if you see the reactivity of the carbocation, tertiary carbocation is more stable among all the carbocations. First tertiary carbocation, then secondary, then primary carbocation. Since tertiary carbocation is more stable due to the plus I effect of the alkyl group, that is why tertiary carbocation is more reactive towards the SN1 mechanism, then secondary and then primary carbocation. Because as the carbocation becomes more stable, then it can participate in the second step to form the product. And if the carbocation is not stable, then it will immediately converted into the reactant, and it will not go to the second step to form the product. So the stability of the carbocation is very important for the formation of the product.